Hi everyone, so welcome to our group research project regarding a mid-sized pet food company. My name is Noel Perez and I'll be discussing the intro and the significance of our problem and what's driving our research. In 2016 was the first year that that an increase in sales were not reported from the previous year. So our research is diving into the variables. What are the variables that are taken into consideration that consumers are looking for when purchasing a pet food product. So as we know, competition in the pet food industry has caused companies to seek various methods of sales, which include marketing and consumer retention strategies. When purchasing pet food products, consumers take into consideration brand exposure, food quality, and price. So our goal was to research what were the primary reasons consumer looks for when picking a pet food product. Our product versus another product. So and then also we sought to seek how can we retain consumers purchasing from us. So staff knowledge was also a key variable in consumer retainment. Having a trained, knowledgeable staff, positive, being able to implement the background of the product to the consumer, and also looking at variables such as a mortar store versus an online store, which people are tending to shop as well. One thing that providing a storefront is that we're able to provide that experience that the consumers search for when choosing certain products over others, establishing that bond, that relationship with the product and the consumer. Consumer awareness is crucial when developing a model which integrates knowledgeable and enthusiastic staff. So as company profit lessens, the mid-sized pet food company may no longer have representatives in store to provide consumers with that experience. So the issue here being, in reality, if companies are downsizing, they're losing sales staff, which the sales staff are what drives sales for our specific products. So we're looking to seek what it is that we can do as a company to improve sales, and also leave consumers educated about the product, which in turn would bring them back to purchasing and continuing to purchase product from us. So we're going to explore the strengths within the organization to develop a structured plan which would sustain profits over competitor food companies, and identify the resources that our organization is currently doing well, and seek areas that are lacking growth, which need improvement. And also, we'll seek the degree of complexity of reasons as to why consumers choose various pet food products over our mid-sized company. So, and also, so specific questions that our research will entail will be to address the pricing, the training, and the customer loyalty engagement. And through our research, we're going to use a mixed method, sequential explanatory approach with both consumers and members of the organization involved to get both sides input of what it is that we can do to improve our sales, not just looking at one side. And also, people who purchase our product will be invited for a survey sent directly to their email, which there'd be a link inside the email for them to click on, and the survey would be provided in. And that's basically the foundation of our research and the direction that we're going towards.